$1 trillion. Now think about all of those zeros, and that is the annual cost of global cybercrime. And with that number expected to increase 15% a year for the foreseeable future, paired with it being a very existential threat, new careers in the cybersecurity field are exploding. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, more than 4 million high-paying cybersecurity jobs will go unfilled by the year 2025. Cybersecurity positions like information security analysts, which according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, their average salary tops more than $100,000. It is within this expanding creation of good-paying jobs, along with the knowledge of how underrepresented minorities are in the cybersecurity field, that brought the Buffalo Public Schools and Trocaire College together to create a unique opportunity for the students of BPS. This new coalition between the Buffalo Public Schools and Trocaire College helped to create the Trocaire Cybersecurity Camp, which launched this previous summer and exposed our first group of students to the world of cybersecurity. Students attending the camp learned what it takes to succeed in this world, combining book knowledge with hands-on experiences and culminating in a cybersecurity-style trivia competition.
It's a huge help knowing this stuff. Also, all the safety stuff we know, two-factor authentication. I learned more about firewalls and stuff like that, and VPNs, and how those are almost dire, like required to safely use the internet.
I feel like it's fun, but it's also preparing you for the real world if you want to get into this job.
Students loved their summer experience, and now a new group of Buffalo Public School students has their eyes set on their world after high school, a world where they will be prepared to enter and grow in a profession which will allow them a lifetime of opportunities and success. With an MOU already in place between Trocaire and BPS, recruitment has already begun to fill slots for the fall and spring of this year, which will allow the first group of future cybersecurity analysts the chance to earn up to 11 college credits upon their completion of the program. Technology has taught us that in many cases we're preparing students for jobs in the future which may not exist. But we know in the cybersecurity field that these new jobs not only exist today, but will continue to grow and expand in the near future. It is our hope that with the continuing support of the Board of Education, BPS, with its new partnership with Trocaire, can continue to invest in our students who are seeking to join the growing community of cybersecurity professionals. Let's help our students not only protect our world in cybersecurity, but let's help protect their world in it as well.
In the cybersecurity program, I won't be just protecting my future, I'll be protecting yours also.